What's up, YouTube? It's Calais. Don't mind my fabulous hair and face. I just showered, I don't know, so I don't really know what's going on. Pretty frizzy, I don't really care. So I told you I'd make a new video, and here it is. I'm not in my kitchen for once. I'm in my room because, yeah. So here it goes. I just actually got back from the lake. I spent the weekend at the lake for the 4th of July. It was awesome. My legs and butt is sore from the freaking jet ski. Oh my goodness. It was fun though. So yeah. Hope your guys' 4th of July was awesome and safe and nobody lost any eyeballs. Because that's never a good thing. My little spaz is over there taking a drink of water, and you can see him like right over. Well, you can't see him. That's his water bottle though. Ew. Somebody once told me the world was... Look at them muscles. Look guys. Look guys. I've been working out again. Bam! I don't know. Yeah, my legs are getting pretty toned again. Well, they were already still toned from track, but I've been working out more. And yeah. Okay, I don't want this to be a super long video, so I'm only going to burp a couple more times because I freaking hate waiting for my iPod to freaking upload the video. Hello, mate. Hello, matey. Hello. What do you mean? You creep? Okay, one more. Let it build up a little bit. My laundry. Oh, what is that? Oh, that's my bag. My bag from the lake. Here we go. Here we go. Are you ready for this? Ew, okay. Anyways, so yeah, go follow me on Vine, go follow me on Instagram, Twitter, do whatever you want to do. Like this video, give it a thumbs up because that's the same exact thing as liking it, even though I just... Okay, sorry, I'm really hyper. Favorite it, do whatever you want to do, I don't really care. Yeah, subscribe to my other channel.